Every day, artificial intelligence gets smarter. It writes, it draws, it drives, and it learns fast. But here's the question, is your job safe? Or are you on the list of jobs AI might replace? Today, we'll explore 10 jobs most at risk from AI, and 5 that are likely to thrive. Stick around. You might be surprised where your career stands. AI is changing work because it's not just about replacing people, it's about automating tasks. If your job involves repetition, patterns, or predictable logic, AI can likely handle it. But if it involves creativity, empathy, or complex human judgment, you're more secure. For now. Let's count down the 10 jobs most at risk from AI automation. Data entry clerks. Repetitive typing and form filling, perfect for AI. Tools can now extract data from images, documents, even audio, all faster than any human. Customer support agents. Chatbots powered by AI handle thousands of queries 24/7. They don't sleep, and they don't need a break. Telemarketers. AI can now generate voices, respond to objections, and even adjust its pitch, making human sales calls replaceable at scale. Proofreaders and translators. Grammarly, DeepL, and AI language models correct and translate with near-human fluency at lightning speed. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout systems and cashier-less stores like Amazon Go are removing the need for frontline retail workers. Paralegals. AI tools like Harvey can now analyze legal documents, summarize contracts, and search case law. Tasks that took hours now take seconds. Bank tellers. Mobile banking and robo-advisors are replacing many roles in physical banks. Rideshare drivers, delivery. With autonomous vehicles progressing, driving jobs are vulnerable, especially in controlled delivery routes. Basic content writers. For generic product descriptions or SEO blogs, AI tools like Jasper or ChatGPT can now generate solid drafts in seconds. Assembly line workers. Robots have long been in factories, but now they're smarter, faster, and cheaper, replacing repetitive labor on production lines. But not all jobs are at risk. Some roles actually become more valuable in the age of AI. Here are 5 that will thrive. AI and machine learning specialists. The builders of AI will always be needed. If you understand how AI works, you have power. Prompt engineers and workflow designers. Asking the right questions to AI is a skill. Companies are hiring prompt engineers to get the most from tools like ChatGPT. Healthcare professionals. AI can diagnose, but it can't care. Doctors, nurses, and therapists combine knowledge with empathy, something AI can't fake. Educators and AI trainers. AI is a tool, but someone needs to teach others how to use it. Trainers, coaches, and educators will be in demand. Creative strategists and designers. AI creates, but humans still decide what to create and why. Strategic thinkers who use AI as a creative partner will lead. AI is not coming for your job. It's coming for tasks. If you evolve, learn, and adapt, you'll stay ahead. Start experimenting with AI tools now. Learn how they can assist, not replace you. And tell us in the comments, do you think your job is safe from AI? Hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.